Hi there, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a baby whale, so let's get started. To draw this whale, we're going to first start by drawing a big curve for the top of the whale. So I'm going to start by right here. I'm just going to basically draw a huge hump. So I'm going to come up from here, just go all the way up. Nice and round. So then about right there, that'll be my center, and I'm going to start to come down. So leave this line a little bit higher, and we're going to come back to this area where we started. I'm going to bring this curve down a little bit more. So I'm going to start to draw the bottom of the whale now. So I'm going to come in. So this part at the bottom right here is going to be a little bit flatter. So I'm going to come back in here. And so about right there, the center of this hump right here is where I'm going to draw the flipper. So I'm going to stop about right there, but if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and finish this curve. So I'm going to come about right here, and I'm going to start to draw the flipper. So I'm going to come down right here, bring a curve out, and sweep it back in. And then I'm going to start to continue my curve again. So just imagine this being overlapped by the flipper, coming all the way out and going back. So now we're going to start to go up to make the tail. So from there, now that this is pretty much aligned, we're going to bring this down for the tail. So just curve it up and start to bring this together for the tail. So there. So then from there, we're just going to draw the tail. We're just basically kind of like drawing a leaf. So the first one, and then we're going to bring it back in to the center of this area right here. And then the other one is going to be bigger and connect it. There. And then now we can draw the bottom of the whale. So we're going to come back to where we started right here, and we're just going to kind of draw this curve that's right underneath. Just give it the belly area for the whale. And we're just going to soften that area right there. And so being overlapped, we're just going to continue this curve all the way back. Oops. And just taper it. Okay, so then now we can draw the other flipper. So we're just going to see a tiny bit of it. So I'm just going to come in this area right here and just draw the tip of it. Now to bring it to life, let's give it a big draw so cute eye. So in this area right here, I'm just going to draw a big circle. And the curve is going to be on the side now. So about right here. I'll draw a curve for the side, and then the two highlights, and shade it all in. There, and then the lines right here. And then let's come back up right here and just draw a curve to give our eyes an anchor. And of course the spout. So once again, where the flipper is, right in the center, we're going to come about right here. We're going to draw the spout. So right here, we're going to draw the first water drop, big one, and then another one right here, and a center one. And because this is a Draw So Cute whale, we're going to give a little heart right here. So there, I hope you guys love this Draw So Cute whale. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love it, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.